Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Maddy. So have you ever noticed your PC keeps changing its IP address every time you restart or connect to Wi-Fi? That's because your computer is using dynamic IP. It's automatically assigned by your router. But today I'm gonna show you how to set a static IP. That means IP says the same all the time. Super useful for things like file sharing, gaming or connecting device on a local network. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first things first, let's open the network settings. Press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl and enter. You will see all your network connections like Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now right click on the one you are using like your Wi-Fi or LAN and click on Properties. A new window will pop up with a list of items. Find the ones that says Internet Protocol version TCP IPv4. Click on it. By default, it's set to be obtain IP address automatically. Change it using following IP address. Now you can type your own values. For example, you can use any IP that fits your network. Just make sure it's not already in use. Then below that's where it says use the following DNS server address: preferred DNS 8.8.8, alternate 8.8.4.4. These are Google DNS servers, fast and reliable. Now just click OK, close all the windows, and that's it. Your static IP is set. You can double check by pressing Windows plus R, typing cmd, and then typing this command ipconfig. Scroll a bit and you will see your IP address. It's work. Useful tip: if your internet stops working after setting a static IP, don't panic. That's usually means you entered something wrong, like the wrong gateway or subnet mask. Just switch it back to obtain IP address automatically and it will start working again. And that's it guys. Now you know how to set a static IP on your PC in just few minutes. This is super handy if you are setting up a local server, sharing file, or just want a stable network setup. If this video helps you out, make sure like the video, subscribe to Maddy and drop a comment below if you want any questions. Thanks for watching.